Today I'm in the great outdoors. Actually, I'm in my North Face Wawana 6P 6-person tent, which I did a video on, unboxing, setup, and review of the key features. Be sure to watch that video. But today, I'm in the great outdoors, unboxing, setting up, and reviewing the key features of the Trekology Ultralight 2.0 Ultralight Inflatable Camping Travel Pillow. This is a very nice little pillow. Allow me to show it to you. The pillow comes in a nice little carrying bag, and a noticeable feature on the back is this elastic strap that attaches with two snaps, one on each end. The pillow dimensions are 16 inches or 406 millimeters by 12 inches, 305 millimeters, and 4 inches or 102 millimeters thick, and weighs 3.9 ounces or 110 grams. To get air into and out of the pillow, it has this little push open and push closed valve that also has a protective cap. I experienced no air leakage out of the cap after a night of sleeping on the pillow. Let's blow up the pillow. It blows up quickly with about 8 to 10 breaths. The pillow is made from 80% polyester, and the Amazon web page says that the new 2.0, now more durable than ever, uses an enhanced design with the latest highly durable elastic TPU fabric that is water resistant. The website also says, small in size, big in comfort. This is the most compact and lightweight inflatable camp pillow on the market. Folds down to 5 by 2 inches, smaller than a can of soda. Inflates to a comfortable pillow for head and lumbar support. Deflating back down in only seconds. Here I've got the pillow all the way inflated, and I overinflated it slightly. It's a little bit stiffer than I like to sleep on, but I wanted to inflate it all the way so you can see how stiff it can get. Let me try to demonstrate that by squeezing on the pillow, pushing on it a few times for you. Very nice pillow. One of the questions I was asked if the pillow has a plastic smell to it. There is no noticeable smell to the pillow, at least as far as I can detect. Open the cap, push the little valve until you hear a click to release the air, and let me demonstrate how to put the Trekology Ultralight 2.0 Ultralight Inflatable Camping Pillow away in its little carrying case. I'm showing you two colors in the video, black and green, but this Trekology pillow comes in black, green, orange, blue, red, and a teal blue. Make sure to see my video description for a link for more information, and if you purchase from that link, it helps out the channel, which is greatly appreciated. This video falls under adventure, off-road, and the great outdoors. I have many other videos on general automotive work, modifications, and tips. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and watching the other videos. Now that concludes the video. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the great outdoors.